Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your babysitting agency businesses. For example, you have a babysitting agency and you want to share the details regarding the booking process or the security you are providing to your customer. Sending each and every customer manually is a time-consuming task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your babysitting agency businesses, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of Sunshine Babysitting Agency, here I send it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Sunshine Babysitting Agency, while providing me 3 different options below, such as booking process, safety and policy, and the support. If I'll click on booking process, here you can see it will provide me all the details of booking process in babysitting agency. If I'll click on support button, then they will provide us a contactual details of Sunshine Babysitting Agency. So this is how our chatbot will create it. At the end of this video, you can create this type of chatbot so easily. This bot will create it without requiring any coding skills. Just you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credit allotted, your credit consumed, your credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. While clicking on this, it will provide you 2 options. The one is WhatsApp Connect and the second is Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you will click on this, then it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developers. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we will create a separate video for this. I provide the link of that video in the description box. Here you can also create multiple folders. In this section, you can see the active and the inactive status of your WhatsApp number added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond them here also. You don't have to open a WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts, in which you can list of your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your chatbots or messages, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used to send bulk messages to many users at once. It is in using approved template. It is useful for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer product, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in which you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions or solve problems. Here we will also provide one video of how to use AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings, where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The 10th one is the get help, in where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, it will create it with the help of Pabbly Flow Builder. So I'll click on the flow. Here Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of Flow Builder. Here you can also see the total number of flows you are created, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot for our app development studio, so I'll click on this button plus add flow button. This is the starting point of our flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our babysitting agent. So here I am providing the name. Here I provided the name. Before starting this, first let me give you a quick review about both these options such as messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We can use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button you can update your progress. Let's get started. There are three ways to start our flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex, and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that you were expected that your customer send to your WhatsApp business account. Second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can identify specific types of user messages and it can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in which you can create any template and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. As I am creating the WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex, so here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond any of the message of your customer. Now, in the next step, I am adding one welcome message for my customer, that whenever they send a message, so my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one text button. Drag this message box here and writing the welcome message for my customer. Here I write it. After that, I want to upload some media so that whenever customer send a message in my WhatsApp business account of babysitting agency, then my bot will respond to them welcome message including one picture that will impact customer and it will be more interesting for them. For adding media into your flow, here I am clicking on this add content. Select a content type as media. Select the media type as image and upload the image related to my babysitting agency. While clicking on this button and upload it from here. The image is updated successfully. In this box, here I am entering one caption. Here I write it and also give some options to my customer. So for providing options to them, I am clicking on this add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first option such as booking process. The second option I will take is safety and policy, and the third option I will take is support. After that, I'll connect the circle of my flow starting point to the welcome message that my bot will respond to my customer. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. So here my flow is connected to my message. After that, when my customer wants to click on the booking process, then my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding another text button. Drag this message box here and writing the confirmation details of booking process in my babysitting agency. Here I write it. Now in the next step, I want to add some content in my message box that were delivered to my customer with the details of booking process. For this, I am clicking on this add content button. Select content type as text plus button. Select content type as media. Select media type as image and upload the image by clicking on this button. The image is updated successfully. In the box enter caption, I am writing some details regarding the booking process in my babysitting agency. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of booking process to the message where I wrote the details regarding the booking process in my babysitting agency. It is connected. Now, in the next step, when my customer wants to know about the safety and the policy that are providing in my babysitting agency, for this they will click on this button and my bot will respond to them. Here I am adding another text button. Drag this message box here and writing the safety and policy details that I am providing to my customer. Here I write it. I want to add some more policies in this message box. So for this, here I am adding one another text plus button and write the details and write more details about the safety and policy. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of safety and policy to the message where I wrote the details regarding the safety and policy provided by my babysitting agency. Now the third button is support button. Here I am adding the contactual details of my babysitting agency. For this I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and write the support details of Sunshine Babysitting Agency. Here I write it. After that I'll connect the circle which are present in front of support to the message where I wrote the contactual details of my babysitting agency. So our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot of your babysitting agency businesses. After this, you have to click on the save button so that your flow will be updated successfully. Now I'll show you how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of babysitting agency. See, here I sended a message. The bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Sunshine Babysitting Agency, while providing me 3 different options below such as booking process, safety and policy support that we were written here. See, booking process, safety and policy support. If I'll click on safety and policy, then it will provide me all the details regarding the safety and policy that are providing in this babysitting agency. If I'll click on booking process, then you can see it will provide me all the details regarding all booking consultation process in this babysitting agency. So basically this is how our chatbot will created and it will respond to your customer instantly. This bot is created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow without requiring any programming or coding skills. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about the Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.